day in our life as a student. Hi, I'm Cleve, a quiet kid with high ambitions reaching for the stars. And them? They are my friends. We are the eight. Eight lives, eight struggles, eight stories.
Grabe naman kayo, para namang hindi mo kayo. Pakisang na ba?
Hi guys! Saan? Tara, let's go!
Iba talaga yung pandini ni Roger, basta libre. Selective, matik, yan.
Siyempre, ako pa. Hindi, kasi nyo, ako na bahala.
Uy, Enes, libre mo ha?
Grabe ka naman. Uy, tama na yan. Pero, since nakali ko, gusto mo pa ba matulog sa amin ngayon?
Okay na po ay, mahal mo na si Papa, first class. Eto, sige pa. Talalak na yung
Hindi na ako pinakalang pa.
Ikaw, clean. Kinakaya ko pa, nag-a-adjust ako eh.
Oo nga, guys, hindi na yung maaga kasi may meeting ako.
Enes, kumusta na kaya si Denji? Tapos na ang treatment nun ngayon ah.
Ay, salamat. Nakakaya niyo lahat. Ako kasi motivation niyo eh.
Grabe ka talaga, Tambe.
Sana all sis. Kaya mo ba? Nakaway ka ba nila? Tara, mas baka namin.
Share na. Nakakaya ko. Ay,
Now, a day in our life as a students. Now we have Cleve. Deals with grief, his mother who was his ally and everything passed away. And ever since then, he has had to take care of himself alone. Tired, I had a lot to do with the household chores as I am alone. I do hope mother is still here to see my achievements in school. Castillo deals with constant academic pressure. His family is very strict about his studies, which causes him to overthink everything and slowly damages his mental health. Max deals with bullying. The 7 group stands up and fights back for him, but he always allows people to trample on his dignity. Randall deals with work and survival. At a young age, he was forced to work hard to provide food for himself because his parents do not support him. If he does not work, he has nothing to eat. He is always counting his money and figuring out how to budget it. Denji deals with a serious health condition. He was once admitted to the hospital due to cancer, which left his body weak, and because of that, his mental health was also affected. Jane deals with abuse. Her parents become violent when they are drunk, often lashing out on her, so she runs away from home at times to stay safe. Christy deals with sexual harassment. Her room becomes the only safe place where she can protect herself from her stepfather when her mother is not around. Now, lastly, we have Shay, deals with mental health struggles. She harms herself as a way of coping when whenever she faces problems. Being a student isn't always easy. Behind every uniform is a story filled with struggles. Problems at the households, problems in school, and problems within self. Some days we come to class carrying worries heavier than our bag, financial difficulties, family responsibilities, abuse, mental health struggles, bullying, and harassment. The problems we deal at a young age and as a student. But despite all these challenges, we stand together, we support one another. When strength runs out, we remind each other that